I don't know what happened. To get started, stop streaming. To get started, click on select stream. Well, I don't know if I'm streaming or not, but we'll try it. Let's see here. Select stream. I wonder if we're streaming. Huh. Okay. No data. It says we're live. We'll see. It says no data. Stop streaming. Play. Okay, I hope we're streaming. I don't know. Let's see. Close player. 2 watching. 2 watching. Michael clear to cure. Q. Okay. I'm sorry. Apologize. Okay, I think we're working now. So, check this out. So, Oliver teaches us to look for 2 locations, a narrow location or the narrow right here. Where's my pencil? My Epic pen isn't working. Let's see. Okay, let's see if it'll work now. Come on, Epic Pen. What's up, dude? There it goes. Hopefully it'll start working now. We're going to have to interrupt Task Manager. And we want to end. Oh, sorry. I keep apologizing. It's open 3. 3 of them are open. End task. Alright, so now we ended that task. You have to do this computer stuff, you know. You got to get it all working right. We were looking for Epic Pen. And I was introduced to the Epic Pen through Oliver. I've been looking for the, a pen that I could draw on my charts like everyone else, and I got my wish. So, let's see what we got going on here. I'm watching this market so we can pick up on some of these gains. They're getting down here. This is what oh, here it is right here. See it? You can pick this thing up. It's called an Epic Pen. It's great. So we're going to slip it right over here. Grab our pencil. Alright, so he's saying this is our narrow space because what do we got? We got the 200, we got the 7, and we got the 20. And see how that comes out from a narrow to a wide. And remember what he said? Or even this, you know. This would be a wide space. But knowing these candles, you could have wrote this down. So let's see, let's add to see how much just that movement. Or what's this movement? This movement right here. We're going to see from here to here. So that is 4,700, 47,000. 47, it's getting chilly in here. 47,000 to 45,000. That's a $2,000 move. Yeah. So let me show you in pocket options. We go here. We would have to go to price by order. Now, in order for us to get a move like that, we can go right here. You see where it says movement? So we would click that and we would go $2,000. Now that would populate us to have a $20 trade, take profit, and this is the closing price. So if we wanted to make this trade, I couldn't spit it out. So like right now, this is probably a pretty decent time because of the fact that we're down low. We want to buy low and sell high. But ooh, yeah, we got to close out this one. Boom. There's $1.40, $1.50, Miss Patty. And we got another $1.50. Oh, we missed that one. But look, we have now her account is up to $95. We missed that dip. We missed the dip. What is scale? This is on a 1 minute. Let's put this on a 1 minute so we can stop missing these opportunities. Yesterday, look, that dip I missed. I could have closed her out, and that would have been in the profit. We still got a ways to go. I found out yesterday I like this right here. So what I'm gonna do is I found where it says like full screen right here. That's great right there. Now I can see everything. So we're going to continue to wait for this drop. We're going to pull her account out of a $17 deficit. I'm looking at a $63 deficit. You can see it. You can't see it because my little cursor. Let me take my text scroll off. Okay. So now you can see down here, here's my deficit, here's my margin. So now we're just waiting for a dip down lower. We don't care about the buy up because we know that the market is still going to go up. But now her account has grown to $95. We're going to bring it up to $100, and we're just going to keep trading. Let's see what this Ripple is doing. So Ripple isn't doing much down here. We got our take profits. I didn't put any stop losses on it because I'm not taking a loss. I'm not taking any losses. I'll have to ride it out. I won't let the trades get too wild like I did before, you know, getting I won't let it go too wild, like letting them go down to $25, but I couldn't help that, you know. So now what we're looking at, when you look at this 1 minute chart, we're looking for this to even go lower because look at this wick. I've always found out when you got these wicks like this, That's telling it that area has been tested. So as it's been tested, sometimes I like to put a mark, just a reference point. So I'll take this down here and I'll say, okay, this is the lowest point. See, we're still in the 42,000s. This is, I'm going to show you what's expected. Let me show you what's expected. We're expected to be down here in this zone. Let me draw a box. We're expected to be in this zone here. Oh, come on now. I'm gonna leave that box there. So that's where, I mean, you could have put a lock on it. This is where we're expected to be headed for. You can see by the 20. I love it that this 200 is flat because of the fact that, let me get my EpiPen. If this just continues, oops, just like that, we'll put it a little bigger. This should go, oh, let's change that color. Let's erase that. I love this pen. All right, so we're going to go back to our pencil, go to yellow. So we expect this. I expected. I hope it don't. But the way it's looking, because we're looking for that perfect curve. See how this curves here? That's one thing he's taught, that when you look at this, let's even look at it broken down. These two moving averages respect themselves when it's time. We see that, remember when I said that we were in an uptrend? This is still wide apart. This is narrow. That's narrow. Wide apart. Wide apart, wide apart. That's a huge move up. So this is consolidation. This kind of gave it a little boost, came back down. See how this stays right in this area? Where's my pen? See this area right here? It did not break through here. And it did not break through down here. Well, it broke through a little bit. When you get these, when you notice these small little breakouts, you got a feeling that, boom, they're going to connect. Boom, they're going to connect. Right up here, let me show you. Move this over. You can do this. Look at that. Oh, now pen. Right here. Boom. Boom. And then when you go over here, look how this line, let me show you this line here. We always go from the back side. Wham. Whoops, 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 whoops. Did that wrong. idea. All right, consolidation again. And then we go look at this. See this down, up, down, narrow. See, it's narrow, wide. It always goes up and down. See how the blue always intertwines? That's our price. Price, the average, away from the 200. Gets down here again. And this right here would have told us. So even this area right here is letting us know that we're in the $40,000 range because of this dip. Look left. Always look left. This, you'll find this 48. If we go expand it even more out, you will see that that 48 matches up. Let's show you. We're going to take this line right here. That's a trend line. We're going to take a horizontal line and we're going to put it right here. Now watch. See how close that 7 is to that 48? So we know this area has already been touched. This is the highest point, 69,000. We already know it will be making its debut into the 70s and double that. We're going to triple that. It's estimated to be 140. So the thing is that now that the ETF has been established, let's see what the news says down here. When you put on your trading view, this thing is news. So it says Bitcoin versus exchange custody. What's the difference? Crypto focus in. Got the hiccups. I might have to take a break so I can get some water. My voice is starting to crack. But look, we know this is where we're headed. We have to first get down into here. It's not going to be as bad as we think it is, as long as you can withstand. We'll put 40. Oh, here it is. I'm trying to get it right on 40,000. All right. So this is our area of support, and this is our area of support, and this is our area of resistance. We know this is a resistance point because of the fact that it landed right on that sucker. And we can tell that back here in September, that level had been tested at 52,900. So in perspective, I could see the next jump going to 52,900. But until that established ETF and all of the smoke clears, we're gonna come down. We're gonna see a down, because look, remember what he was saying? That 200 is somewhere under here. It's way down here. Let me see if I can go with the daily chart so you can see where the 200 is. See, this 200 has to come up here for this to come up here. And in order for, remember what we said, we're in a wide state. There's that narrow. You would call this the medium, I guess. I guess we would call that the medium. There's the pinnacle. It needs to come down here. This needs to come up here, or even, unless it's maybe it's going to have a slight incline. Maybe that's what's going to happen. It'll still have a slight incline like this. Let's draw this line. Pick our color, red. What if it goes like this? Okay, so that means, in my mind, this is just using my own theory. This is not any suggestion of what you should do, but this is what I'm trying to get across to you, that it's easier than putting up all the indicators that I used to look at. I used to look at all those indicators because I used to follow so many people doing this. So what if we were to look at this doing this? We're going to switch it back to this color. What if it just continued? That's a 40. And that would still be a narrow, right? And what if it continued? Even coming down this way. Now, if it was going to, see, we're at the 56,000 range right now. It would probably retrace back to 49, 44. I could see that happening. Let's get the blue. Let's get our blue. And our blue would kind of follow this trend. I'm talking it into existence, you guys. I'm speaking this into existence. We would love to see that happen. That would at least get us into the $64,000 range. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Just hang on. We're looking at Miss Patty's screen, and she is not too bad. At least she's not. She's only $17. I guess I am working. I don't know. Let me check the volume, see if I'm on. I'm speaking this into existence. Okay, I am on. I just don't. It doesn't register here on my YouTube channel, so I can't see who's doing what and what. So, but anyways. That's my theory. Now, for you to get into this opportunity, I'm going to... Man, it got cold in here. I could put on the heat. It got cold. It's supposed to be like... It's like -3 or something here in Michigan. So check this out. The way you get involved in this opportunity is... Turn your EpiPen off. Exit that. And then we're going to put this back to this. Oh no, I wanted to leave this open. All right, so we're gonna log out, and I'm gonna give you a small tour. It is only 9:45, so the bells were not open. Today is a holiday here in the States. All right. This is Pocket Options. This is the platform where you can get your free Pocket Options account. You can get it opened up in less than 5 seconds or so. All you need to do is put a email, password. I am going to look up my promo codes, but I don't know if the promo codes, well, actually, I don't know if they apply to the MetaTrader 5 side. I know it does apply to the option side. The option side is the side where your trades are timed in minute increments, whether it be from 5 seconds to 4 hours. Now, when I was introduced to this options trading, I was introduced to Pocket Options because some of the brokers, they might have you qualify by opening a bank account, opening up their account, then you got to open up a trading platform, and before you know it, you've shelled out $1,500 and you haven't even made your first trade. So what I'm trying to do is limit that learning curve that I went through by introducing you to this free platform. You can get a free demo account here. This just shows you what you can do here. When you come to this account, like we said, it doesn't take much. Apps for any device. Come down here and check it out. But we're just gonna, on my phone. I just carry my phone with me when I got the show. The show is running for you guys, so that way you can see that that's why I say Pocket Options live trading. I want to show people that this is not no bull crap. The only reason they call it bull crap is because they haven't spent the time and they probably got hurt by losing money. And that's the only way that you're going to get hurt, is by losing money, because it does hurt when you lose money. Yes. So, all right. So once we get into the Pocket Options website, it's going to bring you to this screen here. And this screen is going to show you the Pocket Options Real. See where it says QT Real? All right. This is where you make your Pocket Options. This is the live account. So what you do is you make your predictions on this platform, and you can either choose from the OTC, that's over the counter. Everything's going to be there are going to be some markets that are open, but the payout isn't going to be as great. So you can choose to come to the OTC market, where it's ran on an algorithm of other trades and traders all around the globe that are trading. Sometimes I'll come here and I'll leave that open. I'll come to the demo side. You can see my demo. All right. So I switch to the demo side. On the demo side, you got all sorts of things. You can get signals. These are your signals. You can copy these signals. You can do social trading. Social trading, these are the people that have ranked in the past 24 hours. It says trading rank is not, you can only do it on the real side. It does have, you can participate in the tournaments. They got a tournament that's going on right now. It's called Days Off. You can get into that. It's free. Let me just give you a taste of what this part of the platform is. Pending trades. You can do pending trades. All right. So you can place your pending trades if you want. So say, for example, we see this is the moving 200. We know that this is the 7 and the 20. We're looking for this to go up to here. We're going to make a trade for 2 minutes, and we're going to wait, and we're going to trade now. We opened a higher trade. We're betting that this candle that just formed is going to go up within 2 minutes, and then that 2 minutes I will win $89 profit. That's 35 bucks if my prediction is correct. So let's see what happens. Let's see if I get a correct trade. A lot of people like to come to this side. They'll see a lot of traders use this side to these videos. They're really, really enticing because you can watch people make from $10, from $1 to thousands and thousands of dollars. So this is something that, you know, you have to use with caution. Come here and trade demo. Get used to seeing the candles, how they move, how they trade. Make your trades. Let all your inhibitions fly in demo mode, so you don't risk anything in the real world. You don't risk your money. Let me move myself out of the way here so you can actually see. There. Now you can actually see. And I'm still keeping an eye on the open market, but we're going to see if we're going to come into this trade a winner or a try next time. This, when you press these stars, this shows the pair that you have put up on the screen right here to let you know if you're going. It looks like we're not going to win this trade, but there was a reason why we didn't win this trade. I didn't look at it. I just put a trade in just to show you what goes on. But then we can actually find different currency pairs to trade. This is the live market here. When you don't see OTC behind it, you can tell it's the real market. So we'll go to the real market on the options side. It's paying 84%. We have our trade amount. We usually say no more than 2%, but we got 3.12% that we're trading with. We're going to put this up on the screen so we can monitor. Where is it at? USD. Euro USD. I don't see it now. Oh, I have to. Oh, there it is. All right, we put the star up there. So now we can see that we are looking at, this is still down. It's below the 200. Look at that big drop. Whammo, whammo, whammo. Look at that consolidation. Where do you think it's going to go? I think it's going to go down in the next 2 minutes. So we put our trade in, and let's see if we become a winner in 2 minutes. We're looking for it to drop. Everything is in a downward motion. We're going down. We should not be trading up. So if everything is correct, we can see what we will profit. Another thing I like to do, since I don't like to feel alone in this arena, after this trade is over, I will show you. Okay, let's see what we're going to do. Are we going to win this trade? I do believe we're going to win this trade. Let's see. Come on, baby. Maybe if we would have made a 3-minute trade, maybe. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll let it play out. You know, we're not gonna get that one. But see where this candle is? We're gonna still do another trade down, and we're gonna wait until it's 1 minute and 30 seconds into the candle to see if that trade is going to go up. Now this might be going up, so we might have to try that. Let's see. Okay, we didn't win that one. See how that jumped? There was an elephant bar. That's an elephant bar. That's an elephant bar. So we're going to go to the upside. That's a huge elephant bar. Well, what did Oliver say? It's a huge elephant bar. We're going to jump into that elephant bar. 1 minute and 30 seconds. And here we go. 1 minute, 30 seconds into this elephant bar. Starts now, the next candle. One minute, 30 seconds. One minute, 30 seconds. That's 1 minute, 30 seconds. And now. Okay. We put our trade in. See, you never know where the market's going to go, especially on the OTC side here. But it seems like it's working. We're 1 minute 30 seconds into that candle. Is it going to stretch out, or is it going to extend its way into coming up to the 200? Okay, it is coming up on the 10 o'clock hour. It looks like we're not going to win this one, but who knows? We'll see how that blue is pointed down. It's so unpredictable. It is so unpredictable. He said we would have put our stop loss under here. We would have put our stop loss under here. The high. And I think we need to get into that other candle. Boom! We're going to get into the other candle. We got to add. He says you got to be an adder. Oh, come on. Come on. Be an adder. A minute 30. A minute 30. A minute 30. Oh, it's so close. It's so close. Boom. Another one. So we didn't get that. Did we get it? I don't know if we got it or not. Nope, we didn't get it. So that's three. That's the 3 rule is 3 losses. We get off options. Now, so we might have a win to this one. He says 7 out of 10 trades you should be in the money. And then the difference in trading the options is, see, I'm only going to get 70% of this winning trade. That's it. We hear bells and whistles. We have to make sure. Alright, we got crypto news coming out. Come on, baby. Are we going to win this trade? We should win this trade. I don't see why not. And if not, we will switch over to what we have now found. It's easier. Yeah. See, it's unpredictable. Unpredictable. Just so unpredictable. This is why I was frustrated, because I couldn't understand why in the hell would this decide. There's even a little gap there, a gap down. So no, we don't trade this. We don't trade this. We come over here, press this button, see where it says Forex for real? That's where we're going. Now we can monitor our trades. We can monitor our trades and know what the heck we're doing, man. It's just better that way. Might have to carry that up, but that's fine. We're $74 down, 73 because of the fact that we are still this Bitcoin here that buy, but that's okay. We're looking for these sells. We're looking for it to get these sells. We're looking for it to go even lower. We're on a 1 minute scale. So I'm going to switch this. Or actually, I still didn't go get myself something to drink. So my throat is hurting now. So I will be back.
Welcome to P&D Uniforms and Accessories, where we treat all of our customers just like family. Your one-stop shop for all things uniforms. We carry a wide selection of top-quality uniforms from school to medical scrubs, plus church and choir gear. P&D Uniforms and Accessories have been in business for over 15 years. We are centrally located at 20936 Kelly Road in East Point, Michigan. Open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Give us a call today, 586-777-3801. P&D Uniforms.